Hello Pre-K family, it is your favorite Pre-K lead, Ms. Buckner Jackson, here with another Pre-K video.
Hey Pre-K family, I'm so glad that you're here with me for another Pre-K video. So we are going to quickly do two little learning center stations for the number 11. Now these are two activities that you are going to be able to do. Now, they are very similar to one another, but I do want you to do both activities. That way you have one activity for one day and another activity for another day. So without further ado, let's get straight to the video. Here we go. All right guys, so we're going to start with our Foursquare box. I'm going to go ahead and do that. Okay, now my Foursquare box does look a little bit off, but I'm going to go ahead and do my heading. So I am going to write the number. I am going to spell the number. I am going to draw the number. And then I am going to count the number. So this is very simple and easy. You're going to do write, spell, draw, and count, okay? So in the first box, they are simply just going to write the number 11, okay? Now the second box, they are going to spell it. Now I do want this free hand. If they need to look at the video again, because I did spell it out in the video, that's what I want them to do. But I want them to practice doing this by themselves, okay? So then they wrote it. Then the next thing they're going to do in this box is they are going to draw. So they can do any shape, anything. They want to do stars. Oh, that's a ugly star. But that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So they have 11 stars. And then the last one, they're going to put 11 items. So that may be 11, maybe you have some little action figures and they're going to put like a little Ninja Turtle in there. That's fine. Maybe you have caps or bottles. It doesn't matter. You're going to put 11 of items in here, okay? When you're done, you're going to take the picture, and that's pretty much it for that one assignment. Now, the next one I want you to work on, you're going to take your manipulatives. I am going to use blocks, and you are going to create the number 11 using some manipulatives. So, okay. Okay, and now I have the number 11 right here. You see that's an 11, two ones next to each other. Now, if you have Cheerios, I would glue it down and then maybe spell the word 11 using Cheerios. So those are some options. But these are two very quick learning centers that I want you to be able to do. One, you're writing some things down. You're writing write, spell, draw, and count. So it's just simply, very quickly done on some notebook paper or some scratch paper. And then this one, you're taking some manipulatives and you're forming the number 11. Now, it's pretty much up to you what you want to do to form it. You can do this with cars. You can do this with whatever you want to do them with, but I want you to go ahead and form the number 11. All right, Pre-K family, that was a super quick but easy, effective video on how to make this week's Learning Center for numbers. So remember, you have two. You have this one here, and then the other one's going to be actually making the letters with objects. So some objects you may be able to glue down, like you have Cheerios or marshmallows. Some items, if you have blocks, you're not going to be able to glue them down, but they're going to be able to form it and be able to tell you what it looks like, all right? So until our next video, or until we're able to hug again, it has been your favorite Pre-K lead, Ms. Buckner Jackson. Bye.